Welcome to the video tutorial series that we will learn about the features of PrimeLister. Today we will learn how to use the sharing feature in the Poshmark automation. Let's see what we can do with the sharing feature in the PrimeLister extension. You can automatically share items from your closet, the closet of another Poshmark user, and specific Poshmark pages such as Poshmark Feed, Party Feed, Brand, Category, Search Results pages. You can automatically share all listings, the listings on the first page, or the specific listings you manually selected. You can share items with your followers or to the Poshmark party. You can share your items at slow, medium, fast, or custom speed. You can optionally limit the number of items that will be shared up to 500 items. You can optionally share items continuously at a lap count you specify. You can optionally share items from your closet in reverse order from bottom to top in order to keep your closet in a certain order. You can share items instantly as well as schedule to share at a specific time later. You can schedule to share items one time only or recurrently. PrimeLister solves all CAPTCHAs that can pop up while your items are being shared, automatically without requiring you to intervene. Let's see step by step how to share listings on Poshmark automatically using the PrimeLister extension. On your browser, navigate to your closet, another user's closet, or a specific page of Poshmark such as the Poshmark Feed page, Poshmark Party page, Brand page, Search Results page, Category page. Open the drawer menu in the PrimeLister extension. Click on the Poshmark Assistant tab from the menu. Click on the Share button on the Poshmark Assistant tab. Customize the share settings. Select the source of items you want to share. From the Share Listings from box, select the My Closet option if you want to share items from your own closet or from another Poshmark user's closet. Select the Current Page option if you want to share items from the pages like Poshmark Feed, Party Feed, Brand, Search Result, and Category pages. Remember to navigate to one of these pages first if you want to share items from specific Poshmark pages using the Current Page option. Select which part of your items you want to share while you are sharing with the My Closet option from the Listings to Share box. Select the All Listings option if you want to share all items from your own closet or from another Poshmark user's closet. Select the First Page Only option if you want to share only the first 48 items on the first page of your own closet or another Poshmark user's closet. Select the Selected Listings option if you want to share only the listings you select from your closet manually. Select the target you want to share from the Share to box. Select the Followers option if you want to share with your followers. Select the Party option if you want to share on a Poshmark party. Remember that there should be an ongoing Poshmark party at the moment the sharing task is executed, and the items you want to share on the Poshmark party must be eligible to share on the party in terms of category and brand. Select the speed you want the sharing task to be executed at from the Sharing Speed box. Select the Fast option if you want items to be shared at the fast speed waiting for 1 to 2 seconds between each sharing. Select the Medium option if you want items to be shared at the medium speed waiting for 2 to 4 seconds between each sharing. Select the Slow option if you want items to be shared at the slow speed waiting for 4 to 10 seconds between each sharing. Select the Custom option and input the sharing speed range if you want items to be shared at a custom speed waiting for the seconds you inputted between each sharing. Activate special settings for the sharing task based on your preferences optionally from the Options box. Activate the Share a Limited Number of Items option and input the number of items you want to be shared if you want to share only a set number of listings. Activate the Share Continuously option and input the number of laps you want the sharing to be repeated if you want to share continuously. Activate the Share Listings from bottom to top, Reverse Share option if you want to share the items from your closet in reverse order in order to keep your closet in a certain order. Click on the Share Listings button. Once you clicked on the Share Listings button, you will see a confirmation pop-up. Confirm the share task. Click on the Yes, Continue button if you want the sharing task to be executed immediately. Click on the Schedule Task button if you want the sharing task to be executed later. If you are scheduling the task for later, you will see a date and time picker. Select the date and time you want the sharing task to be executed. Activate the Every Day at this time option in the Date and Time Picker window if you want the sharing task to be executed recurrently in accordance with your predefined settings. Click on the Schedule Share button to complete scheduling the sharing task. PrimeLister will open a new tab in your browser automatically to execute instant and scheduled sharing tasks. Do not close this tab, it will be closed automatically when the task has been completed. View the summary of your sharing task when PrimeLister finishes the sharing process. View your sharing tasks in the Tasks box on the Poshmark Assistant tab of the PrimeLister extension. You can view your executed instant and scheduled sharing tasks under the Activity Log tab. You can view your scheduled tasks under the Scheduled tab until the time they will be executed. The sharing task is shown with the missed badge if a scheduled task has not been executed because your extension was not online at the task execution time. That's how easy it is to share listings on Poshmark using PrimeLister. Thanks for watching. See you on the next tutorial video.